How to set up a website on Linux server. That's what we'll be doing in this video. So we have a Linux machine here, and then we have installed Apache, and then can you see HTTPD is installed. So HTTPD is the equivalent of Apache on CentOS machine. So if this is an Ubuntu machine, then we'll be using Apache 2. But the package name for Apache 2 on CentOS or any RPM based machine is HTTPD. So we have that running, and then if we get the IP address of this machine, if we should access this on the internet, like on our browser basically. Sorry. That is when we get the Apache server default page. So what we have to do now is to input our website on this server, and then let this IP address redirect to our website that we have designed. So that's what we'll be doing here. It's very simple, guys. The first, I have the website as zip. We are going to get it, or let's just go ahead and do that now. The website we'll be hosting, you can get it from Tuplate.com. Tuplate has hundreds of free HTML templates that you can use. So let's use this. Alright, so you need to get the exact zip file of this template. To get it, just come to the inspect section, then come to the network section. Now scroll down on the actual page and click on download. You want to get the link to the I think this is it. Yeah, get the link to the file. Get the link to the file. We copy the link. Now we come into our server, and then we download it. There are a lot of ways to download. You can use curl, but I'll be using wget. And at the same time, I want to download this file in the temp directory, so I'll just seed into temp, and then temp is just basically a temporary directory. So I'm just going, I'll make a directory here, call it web files. Then I'll seed into this web files. Alright, now I want to install the wget. Wget is used to download, just like curl. So I prefer to use wget. So you can do that as well. So the package is already installed fine. So I'll just use wget to download the content. Just paste the link to the zip file. Download. Then it's going to download this website file into this directory. Alright, if we should list now we have the website file. So the next thing we are going to do is to unzip, and then we need another package for that. Yum install unzip -y. Alright, that is that. So now what we are going to do is to unzip this particular file. So it's very simple. Just put unzip, the package name, followed by the name of the file you want to unzip, or the folder. Just hit enter and it's going to unzip. You can see we have the extracted one here and the zip one. So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy the content of this extracted this folder. You can even seed it into it so that you see, or let's just list out everything in it to let's list out. You see, it has the index.html, it have about.html, it has ticket, it has a lot of things, assets, images and the rest. So what we are going to do is to copy all this, all of that, copy all of this and put it into the server. The path to the server is var root var slash www.html. This is the path to the server. So what we are going to do is to copy, like I said. So I can copy, just use cp, then the content, where do you want to copy it from, then the path, which is 21 blah blah blah, then / everything inside. Use asterisk or star, this sign, to indicate everything inside this folder. That's what I want to copy. I want to copy it and paste it inside this particular folder. And then because we have directories in this particular folder, you'll be using -r, because copy will only copy files, but this recursive option will copy directories as well. And as you can see, we have directories. This is a directory here. I think all the remaining are files, but this is a directory and asset to contain the images and probably the JavaScript part as well. So that's that. When you run this command, it's going to copy everything here and paste it here, which is the root directory of the server. And after that, when we reload the server and try to access it via the IP address, then the website should be up and running. So let's hit enter and the copy is done. So now let's restart the server. Systemctl restart httpd. Now the site is started, so site should be up and running now. So this is the address. Let's restart. As you can see, this content here is what we have here. It is as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that. That is how to host a website on a Linux server. So finally, we should get rid of the files in this temp directory. We should get rid of the files in this directory. So what we are just going to do is to remove everything, because we already have them on our server. Remove everything. So now if you do ls, there's nothing there. The files is gone. We just have them on our server, and that's what we want. So as you can see, site is up and running.